Meaning of gospel truth.
Gospel truth.
Gospel truth.
Gospel truth.
Gospel truth. Gospel truth means something that is considered to be completely and unquestionably true. The term comes from the idea that the Bible, or gospel, contains absolute truth that cannot be disputed. When someone says that something is gospel truth, they mean that it is as true as the Word of God. This phrase is often used to emphasize the trustworthiness of something, and to assert that there can be no doubt about its veracity. In short, gospel truth refers to a fact or belief that is universally accepted as true and cannot be refuted.